I don't care. There was the LaCroix, those. Only best Yadkin I really have. It's pretty good though. And this is my favorite one. It's a PD. It's not very old, but it's so well worked. And I mean paper thin all the way around. It is awesome. A heartbreaker, piece of a heart away. Leg kicking off of it. Heavy basil grinding. Busted all up though. Only piece of one I really have. My buddy found a good one the other day on the hunt by the creek in the plowed up fields, but it was a good one. It's on there too. Well, that's a few of my bird points. More of the nicer stuff.